भैया कितने लोग आते हैं अपना खुद का पतीला लेके आपको ऐसे परेशान करते हैं? 4-5 लोग ऐसे आते हैं क्या? ऐसे येड़े लोग आते हैं ना, ये वो बॉम्बे के लोग रहेंगे ना ये लोग। जिससे 4-5 येड़े लोग आते हैं बॉम्बे से ऐसे खुद का लेके। So yeah, made it to the entry point. This is where the trek begins. Always love when there's a biker group there. It means that you're at the right place. Well, people are getting ready. It's time to pack a few goodies and then begin this. Can't wait to show you what's next. Let's go. गिरना एक बार प्लीज, fall down now. Seems like there's a traffic jam. Human chain of problems. क्या? Traffic. Ashna always wants to take my space wherever I go.
मेरा वेब खत्म हो गया।
Life problems.
वेब खत्म हो गया। जोर से बोला समझ में नहीं आया।
यहाँ पे एक को बोलनी स्पेस चाहिए और एक को चाहिए वेप।
Hi guys.
Oh, the gang is here.
See you guys.
Reunion.
Waterfall. The first time you fell for your girlfriend.
I wish I would have got that, but this is equally nice. Kunal, how does it feel, bro?
Correct?
Was that life changing?
Yeah, because you just saw your girlfriend.
Was
And
that?
That's what's love.
Yeah. Traffic. Ashna, let's do shrooms together.
Let's get a room.
Let's do shrooms together. More than halfway, right? We've done with like the trail is so nice. Wow. My peeps made it. Which means I made it. Woo. So refreshing. I can feel the water coming out of my face. Ah, this is so nice. Now it's like a mini picnic. Ashna being our mother figure has got sandwiches and whatnot. So we're gonna sit and chill, have fun, enjoy for a while before we head back. That's the plan. See you. Wow, what a fucking day. Well, I should say it this way, what a fucking day. This has been fun. So apparently we can't walk here because Devanshi is taking a photo.
This is what
You
I
do
go
this
through.
every day.
This is what I go through every day.
Guys, when you see this photo on Insta, please don't like it. Break spot. Everyone's waiting here. The last people are also here. 2-minute break and then back on the road. Done! Goodbye. और भैया कर लिया. Wow. Devanshi, proud of you, dude. Anna, done. High five.
Oh, okay.
High five. It was so much better. No, high five. High five. You did it. Time to head back. Goodbye. What was this place? Shit. Vaibhav, you know what time it is?
It's 4:20.
No, it's Vaibhav's review time.
Oh my god.
Vaibhav, एक और ट्रैक कर लिया साथ में. And how was the review?
When it gets slippery, you know, embrace that you are going to fall.
A few moments later.
Like, because of, you know, that weather,
Many months later.
you must be prepared that you keep that pack of energy in you.
One eternity later.
So out of 10, difficulty level?
3 or 4.
Oh, damn. Wow. Views that you should always cherish, perhaps. I was not talking about Ashna, but maybe I was. Ashna was just talking about views that, you know, you always want to talk about and you were in the frame.
I'm the view that you don't talk about. I'm the view that you look at and show.
Oh. Wow. Some supplies before we head out. Oh, shit. Holy shit. Damn, bro. That was a good one, dude. Activity number 2. Let's do this. Activity number 3. It's a good picnic scene, man. We did it. We did it. Hare, Kunal. And it's goodbyes. And it's a
Wrap!
monsoons. A magical time, especially if you live around the Sahyadris. It's like the world starts breathing. The freshness is so raw and breathtaking. It's easily my favorite time of the year, and I can't wait to show you what more is in the store. You probably can feel the happiness in my voice as I shoot and edit this series. Well, many more to come. Until then, keep vibing to the real talk.